The Threads app has become a popular platform for sharing moments and communicating with friends. However, there may be times when you want to access the profile of someone you are interacting with or browse through other profiles. In this short tutorial, you will learn how to find the profile link on the Threads app. Whether you are a new user or already familiar with the basics of the app, the steps you will learn will enable you to quickly and easily access the profiles of people within the Threads community. The first step is to open the Threads app on your phone. After that, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now in the middle of the screen, you will see the Share Profile option. Click on that. To copy your URL, you need to click on the Copy URL here. Now that you have copied your URL, I will show you what it looks like. Exit the Threads app and open any web browser you prefer. Next, paste the link you copied into the search bar. And that will take you directly to your profile. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.